This channel just pulled in over $10,000 this month, and they've only uploaded 10 videos. And every one of those videos sounds like this.
Imagine waking up and your wallet is still in your pocket. The cash is still there. The numbers on your banking app haven't changed. But none of it works anymore. Not because it's gone, because nobody believes in it. The clerk looks at your card and just shrugs. The bills in your hand are paper. Colorful paper, nothing more. This is the moment humanity has faced more than once.
Now here's the part that's going to mess with your head a little. Everything you just heard was made with AI. The script, the voice, the visuals, every single piece of it. I put that whole thing together in under 30 minutes, and I didn't spend a dime because everything ran on Claude's free plan. But look, I know what you're thinking. Is this niche monetizable? So before I explain anything, let me just show you. This channel is called Axon, over 40,000 subscribers. Their very first upload went live 1 month ago, around 2.7 million views. Also just 1 month old, and it gets crazier. Over 100,000 views in the last 7 days, and estimated earnings of over 10,000 US dollars this month alone. 1 month, 11 videos. Let that sink in for a second. And here's why the timing matters. This niche is still brand new. Barely anyone's doing it yet. The people who jump in now are the ones the algorithm is going to push hard. I already built the entire prompt system for you. Every piece of it, done. Stick around to the end because I'm going to show you how to get the whole thing for free. Everything starts with one prompt, and I mean one. I spent a long time engineering this thing, so it does all the heavy lifting for you. All you do is copy it, the whole thing, top to bottom. Then head over to Claude AI, and notice I'm on the free plan here. You don't need to pay for anything. Paste the prompt in, hit generate, and just watch. And here's where it gets fun. Claude doesn't dump a wall of text on you. First, it asks you for one everyday thing humans rely on, and it even hands you ideas to pick from. I'm going with money, so I just type it in. Next, Claude asks how long you want the video, roughly 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 7. Pick your length, hit enter, and just watch it work. It writes your entire voiceover script, start to finish. And honestly, because of how this prompt is built, it doesn't read like AI at all. It reads like a documentary narrator wrote it. Hooks, tension, payoffs, everything. Copy the script out of Claude and save it in a Google Doc somewhere safe. Now it needs a voice. And yes, this part's free too. For the voiceover, we're using Google AI Studio. Because it's completely free, open it up and head to the text-to-speech model. Now you need the right voice. I went with one called the Master Storyteller, and honestly, the name fits. But hold on, before you paste anything, you need to fix your settings, because the defaults will ruin it. First, erase the sample context. Then switch the style from whisper to emphatic. Set the accent to neutral. And for the pace, rapid fire. Now paste your script and hit generate. Give it a listen, and once it sounds right to you, download it. That's your voiceover. Next up, the visuals. Go right back to your Claude chat and type one word, storyboard. Claude takes your script and breaks it down scene by scene. It shows you the exact voiceover line each scene covers, the visual concept behind it, and a ready-made image prompt sitting right underneath. Now, you could generate these images with any free tool out there, but Nano Banana is the best right now, and we're running it inside Google Flow. Open a new project and paste in your first prompt, but don't hit generate yet. Then check your settings. Set aspect ratio on 9:16, 2 images at a time, and the model set to Nano Banana Pro. Now you can generate. You'll get your first images back. Pick whichever one you like. That's frame 1. Okay, here it is. The move almost everyone misses. Before you touch the next prompt, take the image you just picked and drag it into the prompt box. Flow now treats it as your reference image. Then you go back to Claude, grab prompt number 2, paste it next to that reference, and generate. And look at that. Same style, same character, same world. That one reference image is what holds your entire video together visually. Skip it, and every scene looks like it came from a different video. From here, it's just a rhythm. Pick your best image, set it as the reference, Paste the next prompt, generate, scene after scene, until your whole storyboard is sitting in front of you. And now for the fun part, turning all of this into an actual video. Bring your voiceover and all your images into CapCut, or whatever editor you're comfortable with. The voiceover goes onto the timeline first. Then you just follow along with what's being said, dropping each image in one by one so the visuals match the narration. That's genuinely the whole edit, no fancy tricks. If you feel like it, add a little color grading on top. If not, it honestly looks fine as is. Hit export, give it a title, and you've got a finished video. All right, the thing I promised you at the start. That complete prompt system that powered this entire video, the ideas, the script, the image prompts, all of it, fully built. All you have to do is drop the word Claude in the comments, and I'll send the full prompt file straight to you. And while you're down there, a like and a subscribe would mean a lot. Takes you a second, and it keeps videos like this one coming. Now, let's watch what we just made. Here's the final result.
Imagine waking up and your wallet is still in your pocket. The cash is still there. The numbers on your banking app haven't changed. But none of it works anymore. Not because it's gone, because nobody believes in it. The clerk looks at your card and just shrugs. The bills in your hand are paper. Colorful paper, nothing more. This is the moment humanity has faced more than once.